What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. We're out on the range today. Gonna play around some more with that Spandau Target 12 gauge over under shotgun. But before we do that, there's a little bit of range maintenance. That's one of the things about being in the great outdoors, about having a range, is just being a good steward of the land and having a decent place, not having to deal with a lot of tall weeds and things like that. So let me get some of that taken care of. I'll meet you back here and we'll get started. Let's start out looking at this shotgun by taking a look at the case. Pretty nice case on this one. It's got cam over style latches on it, which are really cool. Now, my opinion, of course, but all over under shotguns should come in a very nice case. And if they don't, you should get one for your over under shotgun. And if we flip this thing open, lots of padding inside. And there it is, unassembled, of course, but the Spandau Target. And if we take a look, we've got Turkish walnut, of course, beautiful Turkish walnut. And then we've got 14, I think, and 3/8 length of pull. Adjustable comb. It's very important that your shotgun fits. You can use a supplied little wrench and adjust this comb up and down. We've got the 32-inch barrel now, 12 gauge, 3-inch chamber. And these are the 32-inch barrels, but there's also a 28 and a 30-inch option. Front fiber optic bead on this thing. And as far as the chokes on those barrels, you're going to get 5 chokes with this thing. These are the Benelli mobile choke thread. And you're going to get a cylinder bore, improved cylinder, modified, improved modified, and full choke along with a choke wrench. Another cool feature on this shotgun is going to be the barrel selector. Back here with the safety, you can flip a little button left or right, and that determines which barrel fires first. So you may have noticed that I'm not stomping a pedal to launch the clays, and that's because I'm using the remote fob unit here from Do All Outdoors, and these are compatible with their trap machines. And what's really cool is, number one, you don't have to stomp anything. You can see I've got it attached to a bracelet. That way I can launch the clay and then, of course, drop that remote. But if you have 2 trap machines and 2 of these units, you can program channel A, channel B, and launch both trap machines with 1 fob. And we'll definitely play with that a little later on in another video. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but anytime that we talk about hitting that subscribe button or making sure that you subscribe to the channel, guess what? The little subscribe button at the bottom, it'll light up. And you know what? If you smash that thing, it'll do all kinds of crazy little animations. The same, I think, goes for the thumbs up or the like. You know, give this video a like. And you also get those cool little flickers and animations too. Just something neat, I guess, that YouTube decided that we needed. But yeah, the Spandau Target 12 gauge over under. It's got the adjustable comb, you know, again, the 32-inch barrels, all that good stuff. And you think, okay, for, you know, the trap skeet field, for sporting clays, for that sort of thing. But, you know, I do think that this could give those birdies out there some heck as well, as far as maybe some type of dove hunting, or maybe, I don't know, quail or something of that nature. It just kind of depends on your area and what types of what is it, birds of flight or whatever, that you guys are able to hunt. Might actually try some dove hunting with this thing in the future. Listen, if you want to check out the very first appearance of this shotgun, along with some of the shotgunning range equipment that I use when I'm out here, I've got that video locked and loaded for you right here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.